So again, already I told you in early stage how the question will be asked in the examination. One is statement wise, another one is conclusion. See the statement they are asking. The statement is asking E is equal to A less than D greater than or equal to B greater than F, and F is equal to C. Is it clear? It is called as a statement, already I told you, so there is no doubt about the statement. Then conclusion they are asking, it is nothing but, first conclusion, it is nothing but E less than B. It is nothing but, we should identify here, E less than P is possible in the statement. Understanding? E less than B is possible in the statement, we have to identify. Next one they are asking C less than D. It is nothing but C less than D is possible, we have to identify in the statement. Identification, how can we do this? One is common sign. Second one is opposite. When we have the opposite sign, that conclusion is considered as wrong, and third one, cancel the is equal to. Is it clear? So then how to do the problem? Right now you just write the symbols here. It is nothing but you just write the statement here. I will write here statement. Yeah, this is the best place. That is E is equal to A less than D greater than or equal to B greater than F is equal to C. What is the first conclusion they are asking? E less than B. It is nothing but they are asking E to B. Look at the sign between E to B. First you just cancel it, because E is equal to A, it is nothing but A is equal to E. Is it right? So that is the reason I cancel the is equal to. Then observe the sign between E to B, less than, greater than or equal to B. What is the sign between E to B? One is less than and greater than or equal to B. Why? When we have the opposite sign between the element, what we say this? The conclusion is wrong. What we say? Conclusion wrong. Why? Because look at here, E to B we have the opposite sign. It is nothing but E less than, greater than or equal to B. When we have the opposite sign, the conclusion considered as wrong. Then the first conclusion is wrong. Then what should we do next? Second one, we should identifying the C to D. Again I will write you guys for your understanding. That is E is equal to A less than D greater than or equal to B greater than F is equal to C. What they are asking? C to D, they are asking the relationship. It is nothing but D here and C here. What is the commons between D to C? It is nothing but cancel the is equal to sign. Then look at here, D to B, what is the common? I will write here D greater than or equal to, greater and C. What is the common again? Greater than or equal to greater. It is nothing but common is greater. It is nothing but D is greater than C. Just I will reverse it. D greater than C, I will reverse it. That is C less than D. Is it clear? This is simple technique guys. If greater is there between element, you just reverse it and you have to take an as less than. Suppose less is there, you have to convert it as a greater than. Is it clear? So for your understanding, once again I will write here. Look at the sign guys here, that is D greater than or equal to C and D is greater than C. What is the common element? I will write here once again. So that is D is greater than or equal to C, or you just write it here D greater than or equal to greater and C. What we will do guys? What is the common? D greater than and greater than or equal to. It is nothing but one is greater than or equal to and greater. So what is the common here? That is greater and greater. It is nothing but D is greater than C. Or I will reverse it. What I'll do it? I'll reverse it. It is nothing but C less than D. Is it clear? Yeah. So according to the statement, we have the conclusion second is true and the conclusion first one is wrong. Is it clear? Why the conclusion first one is wrong? Because guys, once again I'll repeat it. They are asking E to B relationship in the first conclusion, but E to B we have the opposite sign. It is nothing but one is lesser than, another one is greater than or equal to. So that is the reason when we have the opposite sign between the element, that is the conclusion is considered as wrong. Is it clear? Then second conclusion is C less than D. Again I'll write here D to C. What is the common here? D here, D here and C here. D2 and C, between D to C we have one is greater than or equal to greater. It is nothing but again D greater than or equal to and greater, we have the common is greater than. It is nothing but D greater than C. It is nothing but, I'll reverse it. It is nothing but C less than D. For your better understanding, I'll write here D is equal to 100, C is equal to 99. Is it clear? So it is nothing but D is greater than C. Suppose I'll write here C again 99, D is equal to 100. There is no effect guys while we are going to reverse the sign, but for the understanding of the conclusion. So that is the reason I'll reverse it. According to the first statement, only the conclusion second follows. Only the conclusion second follows, because first one we have the opposite sign. That is the reason the conclusion first one is wrong. Next we move for the second problem regarding the inequalities in direct form. Look at the second problem. Again the statement they are asking, that is E less than F, F less than or equal to G, then G is equal to H, H greater than S. This is called as our statement. Is it clear? So then the conclusion they are asking G greater than is S. They are asking G greater than S is possible. Second one, F less than or H is equal to possible. Then how can identify this conclusion, whether given conclusion is right or wrong? Simple three techniques. One is common, second one is opposite, and third one cancel the is equal to. First I'll look at here, G is here and S is here. What is the common sign between G to S? That is, I'll cancel the is equal to, then only a one sign, it is nothing but G greater than S. Is it clear? G greater than S. So what is the conclusion? Whether it is a right or wrong? Definitely the conclusion is right, because here in the statement when we made the three tricks, we have G greater than X. Then the conclusion also they are asking G greater than S. Definitely the conclusion first one is correct. Then conclusion second, again I will write here E less than F, F less than or equal to G, G is equal to H, H greater than S. Then they are asking the relationship between F to H. What I do guys? Cancel the is equal to. Then what is the sign between F to H? That is less than or equal to H. They are asking F less than or equal to H. It is nothing but conclusion second also follows. It is nothing but both the conclusions are follows. When given conclusion, it is nothing but if the conclusions 1, 2, 3, 4 conclusion is given, 4 conclusions also true, then what we are going to say this, both the conclusions are true. Suppose only a one conclusion follows and other 3 will be a fail, what we are going to tell? Only a conclusion first also follow. In this problem, both the conclusions are going to be as follow. It is nothing but both the conclusions are right. Next move for the third problem. Look at the guys. The statement, again the conclusion they are asking. What we do in this, we have to identifying the relationship between L to P, second one Q to L. Simple, again you just write the statement, that is P less than or equal to Q, Q less than W, W is equal to L. What I told you in the before classes, cancel the is equal to. Then they are asking the first conclusion relationship between the L to P here. Is it clear? So L to P. What is the common sign between L to P? I will write here P less than or equal to less than and L. What is the common sign between again? One is less than or equal to, another one is less. Again what is the common? That is less. It is nothing but P is less than L, or again I will reverse it because of the conclusion they are asking L greater than P. Is it follow? Definitely guys, because L greater than P we get the answer. The conclusions also they are asking L greater than P is possible. Definitely the conclusion first one is correct. Then we move for the second one, P less than or equal to Q, Q less than W, W is equal to L. Cancel the is equal to, then they are asking Q to L. What is the common sign between the Q to L? Only a less than, but they are asking Q less than or equal to L. Look at the guys, they are asking Q less than or equal to L, but we get the answer only a Q less than L, sorry, Q less than L, because Q to L is the common element, it is nothing but less than only. It is nothing but we get the answer, it is Q less than L, but they are asking Q less than or equal to L. Then what is the conclusion? The conclusion second one is wrong. Why? Because we get the answer in the statement that is Q less than L, but in a conclusion they are asking Q less than or equal to L. Is it clear? So that is the reason conclusion second one is wrong, only a conclusion first is correct. Why the conclusion first one is correct? They are asking L greater than P and we obtain thus P less than or L, because P to L we have less than or equal to, less than and L. What is the common sign between less than or equal to, less than and less than? Less than. It is nothing but P less than L or L greater than P. So we get the answer first one is correct. So the conclusion first one is right. Is it clear? Let's move for the third problem, that is we have Y greater than R greater than S is equal to T less than M less than or equal to N and N less than J. It is statement. Is it clear? Then the conclusion they are asking, first one, T less than Y is possible. They are asking, it is nothing but you just understanding T less than Y is possible according to the statement. Okay. So where is T here? T is here, and where is Y here? Here Y. So what do we have to do it? Simple guys, Y to T. You just cancel is equal to, then what is the common sign between Y to T? That is Y greater than and T here. Again what is the sign? That is Y is greater than T, because common sign is greater than, it is nothing but Y is greater than T. I will reverse it, T less than Y. So the conclusion is asking T less than Y. Then the first conclusion is correct. Is it clear? Then we will move for the next. Again I will write here Y greater than R greater than S is equal to T less than M less than or equal to N less than J. They are asking J to S. Where is J here? The J is here and S is here. Okay. So cancel the is equal to, then observe the sign S less than or equal to less than J. What is the technique? Observe the common. It is nothing but S less than J or J greater than S. But conclusion is asking J less than S. But we obtain the answer either from S less than J we have to get it, or J greater than S. But they are asking J less than S. But we obtain the answer is J greater than S. Then the conclusion second one is wrong. Is it clear? Okay. Then move for the third. So Y greater than R greater than S is equal to T less than M less than or equal to N less than j. They are asking the relationship between n to s. It is nothing but, again look at the common sign between s to n. S cancel, this is equal to less than or equal to n. What is the common? Less than. It is nothing but s less than n, or I will write here n greater than s. They are asking n greater than. In the statement we get the answer is n greater than s. Here the conclusion also they are asking n greater than s. Is it clear? So, why the second conclusion is wrong? Because they are asking j less than s. They are asking j less than s, but in a statement we get the answer, one is s less than j or j greater than s. So, the conclusion cannot be matched in the given conclusion. So, that is the reason. In better understanding, the obtained conclusion is not matched with the given conclusion. So, why the second conclusion is wrong? Because obtained conclusion, it is nothing but obtained conclusion is not match with given conclusion. So, that is the reason conclusion second one is wrong, and in this problem conclusion first and conclusion third follows. In this problem conclusion first and conclusion third follows, and second conclusion is wrong. Is it clear?